How to get rid of smelly shoes. Overuse, perspiration, shedding skin, grime, germs, fungus, and a lack of air are all factors that lead to smelly shoes. The more we use our shoes, the more we realize that they are starting to stink. One of the most effective methods for removing odors from shoes is to revive them with a more pleasant scent. Allow a fresh lemon or lime peel to dry overnight in your shoes, or pour a few drops of any essential oil, such as lavender, into the soles of your shoes. Both methods will aid in the removal of smells. Give your shoes a bath if they're washable. You can use leather and fabric cleaning to clean shoes that aren't machine washable, or you may immerse and hand wash them in a detergent bath if they are machine washable. Allow your shoes to dry by placing them in the sun or near a heater. This will aid in the prevention of bacterial development, which is the source of odor. Place your stinky shoes in a big plastic sandwich bag and freeze them overnight. The next day, take them out of the freezer and let them dry naturally. The intense cold will destroy the microorganisms and make your shoes smell better. Apply a small amount of baby powder to your feet or socks. Reapply the baby powder if your feet start to sweat over the day to keep them dry. Baby powder can be used to deodorize and neutralize scents in your shoes. Tea bags may help to eliminate odors. Tannins in black tea have been proved to be particularly effective in killing germs found inside shoes. In a kettle of boiling water, steep a couple of tea bags for several minutes. Remove the bags and set aside for 5 minutes to cool. Place the cooled tea bags in your shoes for about an hour. Remove the tea bags and blot any excess liquid with a paper towel. Tea tree oil is a fantastic remedy for getting rid of stinky shoes. A few drops of tea tree oil sprinkled throughout the shoe may help to lessen and prevent odor. Cedar wood is a wonderful deodorizer because of its inherent antifungal characteristics. To keep your shoes smelling fresh for longer, place cedar wood insoles inside them. Baking soda is an excellent natural deodorizer. This can help absorb odors and make your shoes smell much better. Leave a bit of baking soda inside your shoes overnight. Before you put your shoes back on, make sure you dust off the baking soda. Fill a pair of cotton socks with a combination of baking soda, baking powder, and cornstarch, and place them in your shoes overnight. White vinegar may also be used to eliminate germs from shoes and neutralize smells. To combat the stink, mix equal parts vinegar and water. Combine 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Allow your shoes to dry after spraying them with the solution. The vinegar will remove the stink and leave your shoes smelling fresh for several hours. Fill your smelly shoes with cloves. Place a handful of cloves in each shoe, tied in a handkerchief, and allow them to sit for a few hours. If your shoes have a very terrible odor, leave the cloves in for a little longer or until the smell is gone. You can also place a bar of soap inside your shoes overnight. The porous structure of soap will aid in odor removal. Be sure to drop a comment below on which method you'll be trying first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.